Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a quick review and close-up shots of the Forever Young Kristin from HAPA KRISTIN. It is their latest contact lens in their collection. The color for this one is called Wannabe Brown. So without further ado, let's get the review started. The graphic diameter for this is 12.7mm, which is leaning towards much more of a smaller side. The way they promote this is that it gives you a gradient finish as well as like a three-dimensional effect to give you more of that natural look and just blends into your eyes more nicely. When I first saw this pattern, it really reminds me of like the OLENS double tint collection, just because I feel like it has a very similar rim on the outside. It's also really thin, but then when it actually blends into my eyes, I felt like the thinness of the border looked much more thicker because it blends nicely into my natural eye. So it gives me much more of a thicker border. The inside of the color is very unique because even though it's brown, I felt like it gives me of a peachy pink brown color, which I think is really pretty. Like, it's very unique. The only thing I don't like about this is I personally feel like it's a little bit too small for my eye. I think if they release one for like 13.1 and 13.2, I would rave this way more, just because again, I like the pattern, I like the color. But in terms of the enlargement, I felt like it's a little bit too small for me. The reason for that, I feel like, is because the border really emphasized the size of the eye when you actually put it on your eye. That's how I personally feel. But I can definitely see how this is really popular. I can see how beautiful it is. It looks really gorgeous on the eye. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!